Hello everyone, welcome to Code with Anurag, where you can find latest job updates and complete placement preparation. One big update is coming from Altair. Altair is hiring 2024, 2023, 2022 and 2021 password batch candidates for software developer role. For this, any bachelor's degree candidates can apply. All branches candidates are eligible. However, they will prefer to engineering candidates, but don't worry, any bachelor's degree candidates can apply. And good news is there is no percentage criteria, right? Salary will be between 4 lakh to 5 lakhs per annum, depends upon your performance, right? And in this video I will discuss what is the job location, what are the required skills, how to apply, everything I'll discuss in this video. So without wasting time, let's get started. Before that, if you haven't subscribed to our Code with Anurag YouTube channel, please do subscribe, because here you will get daily latest job opportunities with placement preparation in English. And this year other YouTube channel Job Dates for You, where you will get daily latest job opportunities with placement preparation in Hindi. So please subscribe to this channel as well. Now let's start. Once you will click on the apply link, which you will find in the description box of this video, then it will redirect you on this website, right? This is the official website of this Altair. You can find all the details regarding this job. You can see these details. So here you can see basic required skills are C++. If you know C++, then you are good to apply, but there are few preferred skills. If you have knowledge of Python, FEA, TCL, then it will be a plus for you, but it's not mandatory, right? And how you will be successful, right? You can see these things, right? It's basically, it's kind of your job description actually, right? So yeah, all the details you can read. So how to apply, that is very easy, simple. You need to click here apply now. Once you click here apply now, then here you can see here these details you need to fill. First one is register. You need to register. Second step, after filling all the details, right, you need to let's quickly enter few details. So yes, I have entered few details, right? So here I have entered you can see I have entered email ID. Just I have entered some random email ID, it's not my email ID. So password, re-enter password. Let's click on next. Here we need to enter our personal information. This is the step 2. But after filling all the personal information, we need to click here this, and referred by, you can ignore this one, right? And yeah, source, you can see, you can mention Altair career website, or you can mention some other details. For example, you can mention other, right? In other, you can mention here Code with Anurag, Code with Anurag YouTube channel, YT, right? Here you can mention this Code with Anurag YT channel. Here you can mention other, please specify. And here first name, last name, first name, last name, nickname, mobile number and phone number. After that, click on the next, right? Now let's quickly fill these details. Here one more important thing, we need to upload your resume as well, right? Let's fill all the details quickly. Now here you can see I have entered my details, Anurag Tiwari. Here I have uploaded my resume as well, right? Right here you can see name, these details I have filled. Yeah, this is not my mobile number, right? Just I have entered some random mobile number just for, right, for application, right? So let's click on this next. Once we click on next, we can see this is the third one. Here we need to upload, like we can attach, like we have already entered our resume, so we can ignore it. Now let's click on the next step, right? Here this is the final thing. Here we need to enter our like signature, right? Anurag Tiwari. Here we need to enter the date. What is the today's date? So today's date is 3 am, right? Yeah. Now let's click on the submit. Once we click on the submit, just wait, it's loading. Yeah, once we will submit the application, it will show like this: thank you for your submission. Once you can see this, it means you are good that, right? So yeah, so this is very easy step. Once after that, they will review your application. If you are eligible, if they shortlist your resume, then they will send you the online exam link. Yeah, so please be ready for that. Please keep preparing, right? And if you want any preparation material, please do let me know in the comment box, or you can join our Telegram channel. There you can let me know. Then there I will provide some study material. Even I can upload a video, right, how to prepare for this exam. So don't worry, just mention in the comment box if you want that video, I will upload it. Yeah, that's it from my side in this video. If you think this video is helpful, like this video. Also, you can join our Telegram channel. Also, you can join our WhatsApp channel. And if you want to follow me, you can follow me on our uh, Instagram, right? Yeah, thank you for watching this video.